share our ceiling acoustic panels. They are specially designed sound-absorbing solutions that enhance acoustic performance in various indoor spaces. Made from 100% polyester, these panels effectively reduce noise, reverberation, and echo, creating a more comfortable and productive environment. They are widely used in offices, conference rooms, theaters, schools, and other commercial or residential settings. Available in multiple sizes, colors, and finishes, ceiling acoustic panels can seamlessly integrate into modern interior designs while improving sound clarity. Some panels feature perforated or textured surfaces to optimize sound absorption. Easy to install with suspended grid systems or direct mounting. They offer both functional and aesthetic benefits.